All good. What's that? How you? All is good. What up, James? Lulu.
What up, Mike?
How you? Good. I'm chilling. Come on now.
I'm trying to show you how we send a text ahead of time.
Let them know.
You can't tell him. No, you already told him. Yeah, stop it.
You seen Knuckles' nephew?
No.
Okay, but listen, because he had 4 people. I say, listen, I'm letting all 4 of y'all in. You gotta wait till Mike comes.
Yeah, Knuckles ain't hit me. I saw Chainz take him down low, and I had the other ones come because he said they deep. I ain't know they was gonna be deep though. Yeah. You know, Chainz ain't never been deep.
I know. That's cool. All right, we'll work.
Mike, we let 15,000 walk out?
They was already gone because the niggas that had on the shorts, they said was already gone. When she said, well, I told her, look, do 20,000 plus. Because they told me it was 20 people. They told her it was 40 people, which means it's going to be 50 people. What's happening, baby?
This you can learn from this guy. you can.
All right, and you with the shit tonight, I see.
No.
I'm ready to go. Let me go and give me, I'll be right back. Let me go get my wine.
Hey, man.
What up, baby?
You know I come on my, whatever. But before I start, how you doing?
How you?
I love you.
What's happening, man? How you feeling?
Good.
I ain't seen you in a long time. How you, sir? You good? Yeah, what's happening, champ? How you? All is good? All is good? I'm good. It's no trespassing, brother.
Did I get to be a part of the Headliner video?
You trespassing right now.
Gonna be a part of the Headliner video? No.
White cars. It's great. Now you know it's great. Get crowded down here.
No,
so
they about to go to the front. They already know.
Okay.
Yeah, they already know. We good.
All right. What's happening?
How you doing?
God damn, baby. What? I ain't seen this. I ain't seen Tekken.
I'm around.
I'll take everybody through this way. Just take, I mean, don't do it. You know,
Hey, baby.
What's up, baby?
How you?
What's up?
All is good. All is good. You ready?
I'm ready.
Al. Jay. He gonna take him to the front. All right, killer, you good then? Let me go get your bottles out here. What's up, baby? How you? You good?
Hey, Diddy!
Chasing you for 3 years.
No, you ain't. What's happening? What's going on?
Good, how are you?
What y'all doing, man? Y'all waiting on me? All right, let me go in the front real quick, then I'm gonna take you down there. What you need? How many people you with?
Like 10,
Huh?
11, 9 girls.
So you got about 7 dudes with you?
I got 2.
DT, what's up?
Hi. How are you?
Good, honey. How you?
Good. So John, this is Jonathan.
What up, champ? How you? Come on. How many people is it? I got you too, T.
It's like 11 of us.
Headliners is the reason I started this.
I appreciate it, brother.
Man, all the video. That's the reason why I started.
No, don't worry about that. How you been, player? I'm good. You gotta let me know who with you, though.
This is my fam right here, Mike.
Okay.
DB out of Minnesota.
Good meeting you, brother. Good meeting you, champ.
Status so tall, I think I might got stills. Legendary baller like Mike, like Will.
Mac Man, happy birthday, you did!
100 shots. Me and my nigga pull up in 100 drops.
Pussy up, I ain't right here. Any volunteers, yeah, then I said, fuck, now